How to check your Google sign-in history. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to check your recent sign-ins, as well as how to check which devices you're currently signed into. Now, first just go and open up an internet browser and head over to the Google website. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side, and then click on Manage your Google account. Over in the left-hand navigation, click on Security, and then scroll down to Recent Security Activity. Click on Review Security Activity, and this will show you all of the recent sign-in attempts on your Google account. Now you can also see which devices you're currently signed into. So if we come back over to the previous window, you can then scroll down to the bottom and you'll see your devices. Go and click on Manage All Devices. Now from this page, you'll see all of the devices that you're currently signed into. If there's a device here that you don't recognize and you want to go and sign out, you can simply click on that device like so, and then you can just go and press this sign out button. So that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.